Welcome to Stealthy Financial Tips. Track your expenses by using apps or spreadsheets to record every purchase. Say, Sarah uses a budgeting app to track her expenses diligently. Every time she makes a purchase, whether it's groceries, dining out, or online shopping, she immediately logs it into the app. By doing so, she gains a clear picture of where her money is going each month, helping her identify areas where she can cut back and save more effectively. With this proactive approach to expense tracking, Sarah feels more in control of her finances and confident in her financial decisions. Set realistic spending limits by analyzing your income and expenses to determine where adjustments can be made. David sat down with his bank statements and credit card bills to analyze his spending habits. After carefully reviewing his income and expenses, he realized that he was consistently overspending on dining out and entertainment. To regain control of his finances, David decided to set realistic spending limits for these categories. He allocated a specific amount of his monthly income to dining out and entertainment, ensuring that it was within his means. By making these adjustments, David was able to stay within his budget while still enjoying occasional outings, ultimately achieving a healthier balance between spending and Hope you got our stealthy financial tips. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Stealthy Financial Tips.